The blue area equals 10, find the sum of the areas of the two circles. As shown in the figure. Inside a rectangle there are two equal circles. Connecting their centers forms a line segment. The area of the blue right triangle is 10. Find the sum of the areas of the two circles. Let the radius of each circle be r. Then, the two perpendicular sides of the blue triangle are r and 2r. Since the area of the triangle is 10. 1 second times r times 2r equals 10. We get the square of r equals 10. Do we need to find the exact value of r? Not at all. Because the area of one circle is pi times the square of r. Simply substitute the square of r equals 10. One circle is 10 pi. Two circles are 20 pi.